Check out the 2013 Optima. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine, and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, sports suspension, fog lights, braking assist. Inside you'll find cruise control, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, door courtesy lights, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, power steering, one-touch windows, 2, premium touring package.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.